Tell me when.
It started.
Oh, hey. Alright, tonight I'm going to make my kettle corn popcorn. Didn't really want to make anything tonight. I just want to sit on my butt. But Rob said, hey, can you make me some kettle corn popcorn? So I'm going to show you all how I do it. First, I take just cheapo vegetable oil and I pour in copious amounts. If you're on Weight Watchers or watching your weight, look away. Go get a carrot. You don't want this. It's not good. It's not healthy. There's nothing good about it, except for the taste. It is tasty. So I'm going to take 3 tiny little popcorn kernels. I'm throwing them into my oil. And I am just going to stand here and wait for them to pop. Today, the weather has been just awful. The power was out. The wind was high. There's snow. Haven't left the house in weeks, which is good because Rob's not super fond of my outfits. With my socks and sandals. You can show them my socks and sandals, see?
April Schrader said, I miss you, buddy. Will I ever see you again? Sheesh.
Nope, probably not. No, I'm sure we will. I'm sure we will. So the popcorn's popping. And after those 3 little popcorn pops, I'm going to take in 1/3 a cup of popcorn. And I'm going to throw in 1/3 a cup of sugar. And this is a handy little hot night. Sorry, first the heat's between medium and high. So right now it's at about 7. I'm just going to keep shaking it because it has sugar and sugar will burn. And I got this thing, I don't know, years ago when somebody had a popcorn party, Schneider's Popcorn, and they sold popcorn and popcorn flavors and this popcorn maker, which is really quite fantastic because you see I just do this and there's a thing in the bottom and it turns it around. And every now and then I'm going to shake it and check, make sure it's not burning.
Karine Gonzalez. Oh, she asked. She said, "Cool. What are we making?"
Kettle corn. Kettle corn popcorn.
Nana said.
Oh. Go ahead.
Nana said, "How many points are these?"
Don't. We're not eating it if we're on Weight Watchers. We're looking away. We're turning off the computer. We're going to get carrots and a glass of water. This is for the husband and the kids.
April Schrader said, I'm glad you're making these videos so I can enjoy you online at least.
Oh, shucks. You're making me blush. Stop. I was I can wave twice. That's a bad joke.
Nicole Hanham said, miss your face and you're making me hungry.
Yeah, it's just a little bit. Oh, I think it's starting. Once it starts popping, it moves along pretty quick. So we're just popping, popping, popping. I miss everybody. How does everybody not miss people? Who leaves the house these days?
Carrie,
yeah, go ahead.
Carrie Ann said, wow, awesome.
You know, I've been waiting 3 weeks for grocery order I put in. I'm getting really excited because the fridge is pretty empty and I don't want to stand in any more lines. I just can't go out anymore. It's a little depressing. But, you know, we're all still breathing and healthy, so that's nice. Woke up. Always look at the bright side of life. Always look at the bright side of life. Okay. I hope everybody else is holding up alright, because I will admit that as much as I love being home, I'm getting a teensy bit bored. So you're listening for the popping, and as it slows down, you're going to take it off the heat pretty quick, because we'll turn off the stove. Since it's sugar, it can burn pretty fast. Whoopsie. Uh-oh. My popcorn thing came apart.
Jackson's mom says, Bray family says hi.
Hi, Bray family. And then we're just going to sprinkle it with some salt. So now it's sweet and salty.
Carrie.
Did Carrie Ann talk about Pete's Betty Bells?
About what?
I was thinking of Saturday Night Live.
She mentioned them. She said Monty Python song.
Oh,
Love it.
I was thinking about Saturday Night Live. Because Carrie Ann and I used to watch Saturday Night Live all the time. And then put just salt. And now we're just going to wait for it to cool down. And when it cools down, it kind of comes apart. Then it will be crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it. It's all crunchy. And it's sweet and it's salty. And if you're watching your weight, don't eat it. Look away. Give it to the other people in your life that you love.
Thanks.